The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Sergeant, just come and not feel about
Mr. Get it, girl.
But then the last piece of
Can't shoot you with it.
Get a ticket though.
For what, officer?
It's expired.
Let me see the expired. Let me see the documents. Let me see the documents. Let me see the documents. Let me see what date. It is the 15th.
You're going to get a ticket.
murder man needs justice in the country.
You have ticket book? You're going to get a ticket here. That's expired, alright?
Hey, come here. You.
Alright.
Both of you, come here.
13th.
And today is the 5th.
Come here, sir. Come here,
Man, the girl. I'm with them.
That's
You don't tell me segment it already. They'll pay for. Beat it! Beat it, girl! Beat it,
Why you have that, man?
Hello.
What is strength? Beat it, girl!
Hello, sir.
Beat it, girl! Beat it, girl!
Hey!
I'm video.
Come back here. Come back here, sir.
Why you paying for the power?
Beat it, girl!
We can't
Illegal!
on the altar, the officer.
Yo, oi, turn up right there, sir.
Where's the come from?
It's as long as the police them there.
Which one the West come from?
Right there, here, and the police done
Which
it.
part of West you come from? Hello,
Ask you a
Mr.
question, you know.
Hey, where you live?
Hello, if him come from West Kingston, we can take him into custody, you know.
Yeah.
Where you live?
Because that's how we down there and the outside zone.
Which part of Westmoreland you live?
Westmoreland?
Miss your ID.
You have an ID, sir?
You can identify yourself.
You have an ID?
Well, no. And I'm a tell, can you hear him say? You live in Westmoreland, Black River.
Listen, I don't have no problem for go process. Listen, I don't have no problem for go process. I don't have no problem for go process.
Black River in
Listen,
Westmoreland?
I don't have no problem for go process.
What's your ID?
I don't have an ID for me. Let's go process.
What's the name?
Warren Lewis. Let's go process.
Warren?
Warren, W-A-R-R-E-L-L-E-S Lewis. Come go process me. I don't have a problem.
Brother!
I don't have a
Who you
problem.
name?
My policeman up me up.
Who you name?
My policeman say. Come on, this one policeman say. He's going to shoot me. And Victor brother shoot him. He's out to order. Me say my wife police. Blue light, me say me can't figure it. Blue light, be a police officer girl. Surrounds my car. Surrounds my 2017 that I pay 1.2 million for. The man surrounded my car and told me that he's going to shoot me. And not to come out to it because that's my name in Jamaica. He make a sad mistake. But what you say, girl? Come up for your phone, not as the officer them. Outside there. More every this one. I'm catching me every day, I'm every me. Every day back. To taxi me. When you taxi me, I'm a mad batsy man.
Catch the badge number for me, sister. Come here and send this man anonymous.
Come for this now, come for this now, come for this now. I got tell me, say, and she said, and this is a mad batsy man. A cock me take, no more smart, a cock me take. It's a cock girl. Yeah. Where's the brother? Where's that? Right! Let me tell them! Let me tell them! What's them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them! 5 of them are worst thing this! Come stop me outside! Come here with them, girl!
Sir.
Nobody can stop! See that? See that? Batman must strength back. Batman must strength back. Me like that, she like me. Put me legal bad. Me not go for run go. You wanna put more on me?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla always keep you up to date and posted with what going out on social media. And this video is out on social media that shows something that had happened where persons that are considered to be gay had been stopped by police officers. And based on what had happened in the video, some things had been said about it on social media. Some of the things that has been said is negative, and some of the things that has been said is positive, and some of the things make some good points. You know what I mean? Now, based on what I understand as to what had happened in the video, it would seem as if the person of the vehicle is going to get a ticket, or the person get a ticket because of some form of expired document or documents. All right. Now, please bear in mind that it is based on what I understand from the video. All right. Now, there's a few things that happened in this video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to ask some questions that may cover some of the comments that have been said about this video on social media. You know, is this proper policing or not? Did the police handle the situation properly? Or is it that the person that the police gave the ticket is acting inappropriate or rude towards the situation? You can let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, as this video is out on social media where some things have been said, you know? Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?